In this video, we are going to see how we can stop TikTok from seeing our location. And this is very important, especially if you're trying to push your videos to a specific audience or to a specific country. So there is two ways how TikTok decides what audience your videos should be pushed to. So if you have a SIM card of a specific country, it will be pushed to that specific audience. And alternatively, the other method is the location. So if you have pulled out the SIM card and still it is pushed to a specific audience, this is because of the location. So for whatever reason you want to do that and you want to stop TikTok from seeing your location, here's how you can do it on the Android phone. First of all, just head over to the settings gear icon, and from here we scroll all the way down to app management or whatever name it is, and you will check the app list, and from here you will find TikTok. Open that up, and here you will see the permissions option. Click on that, and from here you can allow or disallow camera, contacts and location, whatever you want, but in this case I want to disallow the location. All we have to do is just open that up and click on don't allow, and now it will no longer be allowed, or TikTok won't be able to access your location. Alternatively, what you can also do is just hold on to the TikTok icon. For example, I have it here. Just hold on to it and you will get a couple of options here on Android phone. From here we click on app info and you will land directly into this section. Choose permissions and you will access the same area for the location, and just turn that off, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.